Hey everyone, well, Lance Faz Gaming is a vlogging series. Just trying to get everything up to date. We have Ruby for about 2 weeks now. She has basically another doctor's appointment next week to check up on her yeast infection of the ear. Looks like it cleared away. Also, if you like the video, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. And also, my finals is almost one of my finals is almost going to be coming up in about 2 3 weeks. I'm getting prepared for that, and then the other half of my other two class will start in mid of March. So juggling this, painting, and doing a lot of other stuff is quite tasking in many ways. We are painting Bertoli. I didn't call it Knights of the Realm that I'm working on right now. Then we'll have the peasant archers and the peasant footmen for the Bertoli set. Then we'll be done with Bertoli's. We just did a pin up of Shy Girl. The shorts will be up that pretty soon, but the video for the actual how to paint it will be on May. We have videos going towards May now, so uh, I'm trying to get as much stuff as done because I have like 14 credits I'm doing in the summer, and the last I think 12 credits in the fall. Then I'll get my Associates of Science. Then I'm probably gonna go for my bachelor's or start working part time, full time. I really don't know what's gonna happen, but I have to clean up my freaking desk and a whole bunch of miniatures right now. And it is one of those things I keep like pushing off and stuff. It's a lot harder when you have a puppy running around trying to get into everything and put everything in its mouth. So it's very hard for me to move a lot of my miniatures into the closet. She likes to follow me a lot in many ways. But once Bertoli's are done, Age of Sigmar will be next. I am going to be doing D&D content again. I am building the world called the old campaign I did. It was called the Lost Tower. We never get to finish. It's like a several year campaign that I basically made for it. But we are doing Telspire, getting that done. I figured out how to put the STL files, and I got to figure out the program to color it, and then upload it onto the Telspire game. And the turtles are getting big. I need to figure out how I'm going to rehome it. I am looking up for those big ponds, those plastic ponds things, and just make it around and put it somewhere on the house in the corner. I'm just scared that the cats are going to try to screw around with the fish or the turtles, but we'll see how that goes. We will need a bigger space for these turtles, especially for the goldfish. These goldfish will get about over 16 inches, and they're about 7 inches long. And there's like few of them in a 75-gallon tank, and it is so sooner or later, it'll be too the tank will be too small for them. So I'm trying to get that done. And the 55 gallon, we are going to put cichlids in there. All I have to buy is lights and a heater for it. Then we'll get cichlids in this tank. Get that done and over with finally. And I might re-silicone the 40-gallon tank of my salt water. It's leaking, and I might have to just re-silicone the whole thing and re-put the water because I'm trying to make a coral tank as well. And you know me, uh, I like to have a lot of stuff on my plate for some reason and to keep me busy so I don't go insane. Slowly, maturely, I'm able to read a lot more now. I am going to be starting the Silverillion book. I haven't actually read an actual fantasy book in a very long time, and I think be reading that, reading Silverillion and rereading a lot of the old books I do not remember back in high school. Fuck, that was over 10 years ago. Uh, More than 15 years ago, actually. No, that's 18 years ago. So it's a long time to get a lot of stuff going for it. I'm trying to figure out what else to talk about because I'm just doing this in a whim in a rush. Slanesh Army. I am going to try to get a box set of the Emperor's Children box set for Slanesh. Right now, everyone has it on pre-order and so forth. Hopefully, I can pre-order some next month, or they have it at the Games Workshop store. I do want a Slush Army. I always wanted to. I know parts of it's going to be, half of it's going to be probably 3D printed, the other half will be Games Workshop because a lot of the 3D prints, a lot of the Games Workshop minis that they have don't look that good. In my opinion, I think they need to refresh all of Slanesh's army and make it more like lustful, in my opinion. But a lot of stuff to just look very ghoulish, in my opinion. Doesn't scream out Slanesh, the Prince of Lust and stuff like that. Um, yeah, that's pretty much it. All I have for you guys. But so far, my I gotta move all of these figures into the garage because I'm running out of space to put shit up the wall on the bookshelves. A lot of these paints I gotta put in the garage as well. So hopefully we're gonna make space for them. Right now I'm just juggling around like a headless chicken, try to get stuff done in many ways. But anyhow, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.